It's time for us to reflect. It's time for us to meditate. What have we done with our people? Because the whole issue of leadership is about service to our people and touching people's lives. What have you done as an MCA? What have you done as a member of parliament? Because Your Excellency, your government has made it sure that you disperse the funds in good time. And one thing that I will, on your behalf, Your Excellency, request my brothers here, the members of parliament, and all those who have been given positions, kindly look at Article 10 of our Kenya Constitution, national values and the principles of governance, which talks about good governance, transparency, integrity, accountability, and national unity. Because today we are here for national unity because it has to start somewhere. And Your Excellency, this is a paradigm shift for us as a community of Abagusi, Abakuria, because as the psalmist says in 133, how good and pleasant it is for brothers to work and come together and dwell together in unity. And we assure you that moving forward, as Abagusi community, the couriers, each and every time, like the last time you sent me there, I will be going there many more times. We have agreed what we will be able to do moving forward, and we hope that our people will be served better.